How to remove all extra blank spaces automatically in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to ICT A to Z. Today I've got a fantastic tip for you on how effortlessly clean up extra blank spaces in Microsoft Word. If you've ever struggled with messy documents filled with unnecessary gaps, this trick is going to save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Take a look at mine here. You can see it's cluttered with extra spaces all over the place. They're here, there, and everywhere. Now the traditional method would be to manually delete each space, which is not only boring, but can also disrupt your workflow. Instead, let me show you a quick shortcut that will remove all these extra spaces in one go. Simply press Ctrl and H on your keyboard to bring up the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What field, type caret key, also called exponents key, with simple W. Now in the Replace with field, type a single space, and then click on Replace All. Boom! Just like that, all those pesky extra spaces vanish before your eyes. This clever trick not only saves you precious time, but also ensures your document looks polished and professional with minimal effort. It's a game changer for anyone who works with documents regularly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to ICT A to Z for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time with more useful hacks. Happy editing!